Hey guys, welcome to a video. Today I'm doing a little swim bait fishing. I'm gonna try it out with this what is it called, Baby Bull Shad out first, and I have a little bit of a bluegill swim bait as well that we're gonna try out. And it's just gonna be a swim bait video, and I'm gonna try doing these singular lure videos and see how these go. So stay tuned guys, and hopefully I'll catch a fish. Let's start off with this. Make sure this is, ooh, it's going down a little too fast. There we go. This little bull shad is what we'll be using today. Pretty cold out here today. The temperatures have dropped significantly. I'm gonna try reeling it close to the surface first. Alright, so I'm at spot number 2. Oh, I got one. I got one. Whoa. It was the twitch. It was the twitch. I was twitching it. He's a good one. Woo. It's the twitch. Twitch, twitch, pause. Twitch, twitch, pause. Whoo, I was not expecting that. That's crazy. Loosen this some. Oh, that's crazy, man. Oh, he's a nice one too. Woo! It is proven that this thing can produce some good fish. I didn't even bring my scale with me, but this is a nice fish, man. Not at all. Alright, I don't want to get hooks in my hand. But yeah, guys, that is a pretty good fish right there. He's probably around in the 4s. I'm not sure. I didn't bring my scale with me, and I'm kind of sad I didn't, but he's a nice fish. So we're going to let him go after I get some pictures of him. Let's get a slow-mo release on this bad boy. And peacefully gone. Goodbye. Woo! That twitch, twitch, pause, boy. I think this spot is going to be done now. I don't think it's going to produce much more. Yep, on to the next spot, guys. Alright, guys, so we are at the next spot. We're going to see if we can get us another good fish today. See if I can replicate that twitch, twitch, pause here. Get another fish. Alright guys, so we're at spot number 3. I wasn't feeling spot number 2 much, so decided to go over here to spot number 3. It's right down the street from spot number 2, and hopefully we can get some more fish. Alright, so I think this is going to be the final spot for today, and I'm gonna see if I can get another nice fish. Oh, caught on something. Alright guys, going in the water for fishing lure. About to blast the spot and then go home. Whew. I'm gonna get him now though. Got him. I got him. Oh, I got him. 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 I tricked him into getting it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna let him have some. I had my drag set way too tight. Ooh. Ooh. I tried flipping him up here and the hook slipped. Yet another good fish. Got it, okay. This is a solid fish, guys. Slow-mo release on this one too. Goodbye, buddy. Woo! Yes! Let's see if we can get another one. I've never fished with a swim bait before. That's 2 swim bait fish. I've never fished with a hard body swim bait before, and I'm loving it. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Today we caught 3 fish, I think. 2 were pretty decent size, 1 was a little bit of a dink. But this was my first time using a hard body swim bait, and it happened to be the Baby Bull Shad by Catch Co, I believe. I got it out of a mystery tackle box a while ago, and I was too nervous to use it because it was so expensive. And I'm glad I finally decided to use it today. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.